So what are some of the methods? Well, there's a bunch. There's probably 4 that I would say are the most common. First and foremost is email. We get spam email all day, we get junk email all day. A lot of this would fall right under the category of social engineering. Sometimes it's an attachment that they want you to open. The attachment has malware in it. Sometimes there's a website they want you to go to in this email. And the website will have a credential harvesting page where they try to steal your username and password, or there'll be some sort of browser level exploit where, again, they're trying to essentially get malware loaded onto your computer. Or really any of the other goals that we talked about. A second way that we see a lot of social engineering attacks taking place would be through like a text message on your cell phone. Same concept where there's usually some sort of link they want you to go to. That link probably has some sort of malicious behavior associated with it. A third one would be, again, the phone, but instead of text message, it would be voice. So this would be somebody who calls you on the phone, pretends to be a bank, pretends to be a friend, a coworker, anybody that they feel they could be convincing, posing as, again, to try to achieve one of the goals that we already discussed. And the fourth and probably least common way that I see social engineering still taking place would be through postal mail or snail mail, so to speak. That is going to be something like a letter or a package in the mail that is, again, trying to convince the receiver to either send information or take some action that gets the attacker further into their attack. That used to be a little bit more difficult. You had to have a PO box or you had to have some safe address to go and retrieve the information that, as an attacker, you're looking for. But on the other hand, with the popularity of the internet, now that snail mail could just have a URL or a link in it where the attacker is trying to convince the receiver of this mail to go and upload, again, maybe it's financial information or documents, maybe it's just credentials, log into this page, and now we have your credentials. And then they could use those credentials for breaking into your email, breaking into your bank, breaking into your company's VPN connection, things like this.